So now we're here in the virtual family stew. So I have an episode 1 now, and now look at here. I have so many things. Sorry, I just don't fix this one. And I have this one and two. I have so many children, but it's like now here I'm showing you the happy and virtual families. Woohoo! So let's pause. Let's done. And now let's wait the girl from the left. I have so many. I have 3,139 girls present. Okay. I have so many files. What's that? Hey! Oh, oh, sorry. So many dogs in there. Okay. Huh? And now here, let's find some here. Just over here. I love this too. But I'm gonna do this. There. No. There. Now here. There. Now. I have so many here. Just this is another room, and this thing. So I'm gonna give the little peoples a wish to don't wish the empty. And now this is my playground. And this is my playroom. And this is my 2 bedrooms. Wait. Why are you doing that, cat? This is my master bedroom, and this little room that go away, cat. This is my first thing, and my beautiful, my full flat screen, beautiful flat screen. What is that? There's the chick. Oh, heating up some food. And the food is 232. So now I have this. Let's try this. What? Playing quietly? Okay. What's working on career? Okay, let's work at the career. I'm gonna buy something. I love sale. Here. There's so many things. Oh my gosh. And now, let's buy something. I'm sure, guys, I'm going to build this trampoline and everything. Yeah. I can buy it. Oh, blue. Yeah. And I'm testing. And now I'm going to appreciate it. Then for this thing. And I will clarify that. There. Oh, it's like I'm gonna put this thing. There. And then beautiful that this will be. there. And I put some this. Put something there. There. No. There. It's like a beautiful. It's just like a beautiful thing. Let's just lay down. No, a tapping machine. There. And I'm going to show. There. Hey cat, why are you sticking out that too? Then I have 300 food for you. I spent it. Sad. Damn. What is this? You leave that. Okay. You leave this. Now let's find something. Let's work the concurrent. And this is my old statue. And this is my old radio again. And I can't reunite this because I love this thing. I have 2 rooms. I'm gonna spend it. I'm gonna spend it. Okay. 35,000. Okay. This is 45,000. Okay, I'm gonna spend it. Okay. And now I'm going to. What's doing the cat? I'm gonna. What's like that? Another animals. Oh, there. There, cat. Oh, where is it? There, cat. Where's the chihuahua? Chihuahua. Oh my god. I'm gonna spend about part editing. Oh yeah. There's my chihuahua. Ew, chihuahua. I love my chihuahua. There. Ooh. There. I'm just, oh. There. This. And now where's the others? Where's where's Jerry? And now we're done in our episode 1. And now, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe, comment, thumbs up, and follow me on Instagram is Avakin Lorraine, and Twitter it's Avakin Player Lorraine. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment here. Thank you. Bye.